guys, thank you to all the pro gardeners out there who gave. And don't forget to try that when you're having less yield. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Bernard here. Today we are going to be doing a real big harvest today of our garden. And we are going to have a big dinner tonight because we are going to have a huge harvest today. And let's get right to it. So first we are going to be harvesting cucumber. So as you can see, a cucumber is right here. We are going to be harvesting that. Let's take the scissors and now let's just cut it right here. And now look how beautiful this cucumber is. And we're going to harvest two actually. There's one right here. We cut it right here. As you can see, look how beautiful this one is. We're gonna harvest two of these. And guys, look how beautiful these cucumbers grow. They're so beautiful, and look how long they grew. That's the best part, because how long they grew is really interesting. And it took 50 days to get like one whole two whole cucumbers. And if you look inside, there are many more baby cucumbers. And as you can see, there are many more inside that are still not, they're like babies now. And as you can see, look how many they are, which is really cool. And now let's see what to harvest next. So guys, next I picked tomato plant. Look at it's grown so tall, taller than me. And look at all the beautiful tomatoes we have here. And I know, it took a really long time. And you might be going through the same difficulties. And I'm just going to tell you a few tips to make them grow faster. First, I'm going to tell you about pruning. Pruning will help it it will help the plant grow. And the ones that come right here. And guys, these are actually called suckers. And since I don't want my plant to die, I'm just going to take this sucker off. And now the energy will start going through the plant and it'll start reactivating again. And now another thing, how I really got the tomatoes. First we just had flowers, but how I really got the tomatoes, it's something called hand pollination. So if you hand pollinate it, they'll actually start growing. When bees suck pollen out of a plant, right? That's what makes this grow. And so if you just keep on tapping on them, all the pollen will fall out, because the pollen is the one that stops the growth. And as you can see, if you just hand pollinate it, it'll start coming out. So my tomato plant had completely no vegetables, no tomatoes. And right after I saw a couple of videos, I started to hand pollinate it. Or if you have a electric toothbrush that your kids have, you can just slowly rub it, but not turn the motor on. Just rub it like this, and that'll start to give more tomatoes. Which all the tomatoes are going really good. And guys, right after I started to hand pollinate, we got all these tiny tomatoes. There's one right here hiding behind the leaf. And there are many more coming out. We have a couple over here. And we are going to be harvesting them now. So let me take my scissors. First, we are going to be harvesting this one. Let's cut it right here. Wow, guys, this looks really nice. We are going to use this for our dinner tonight. And one more thing. This is a really big one. And these are actually called beefsteak tomatoes. So we are going to be harvesting this one. We're just going to cut it right here. Look how big this is. Whoa. This is humongous. In the plant, I thought it would be really, really small, but after it was growing to the size of this, I was like, now that's getting big. Whoa. I think we have like one more in there. We have like one more in there. Let's try getting that one out. And guys, thank you to all the pro gardeners out there who gave me all these cool tips. And guys, closer to all put together, these may be 2 pounds. They're really, really heavy too. And the 2 reasons why I got these again are because of hand pollination and pruning. And don't forget to try that when you're having less yield. And guys, you might be wondering where my beans are. We had at least 7 harvests of beans, or maybe more than that, and we had to take them off. It was starting to die, so we took them off, and we actually kept yellow beans in this corner right over here, and we also kept some more beetroot on this side and the line that's right here, which are gonna grow soon, very, very soon. And let's get harvesting to the next thing. So here we have brinjal right here. So we're just gonna cut brinjal off. Wow, guys, that's awesome. I'll keep it in the bowl right here. And now we are going to be harvesting okra. We have an okra right here. Where is that okra? And guys, we have like about 2 okras every day that we harvest. And guys, like we have 2, and I tasted one and they're really, really nice. So let's get harvesting. So there's one right here. Let's get it right. Wow, guys, that's a really nice okra. And I think there's one more. There's one right here. That is beautiful, guys. These are the 2 okras that we have. These are really, really nice, and they're kind of fuzzy. That is the favorite part. And we have, I think we also have one more. We have 3 this time, I guess. We normally just have 2. Let's get this huge one right here. Wow, guys. This is called fuzzy, okay? This is super, super fuzzy. And in total, we have 3 okras, which we are going to be putting in the bowl. Let's go back. Like I said, guys, we have a huge harvest today. And we are going to be, the last harvest we are going to be doing is the chili. And guys, chili was also growing really nice. And as you can see, we have a lot more green chilies, which we are going to be harvesting now. I'm going to get this one. This one. This one. But that one's not ready yet. This one is also kind of ready. This one. And let's see if that will be too. This one. This is one right here. Let's try to get that. And we are just going to be getting a couple of green ones. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to be getting 6 green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one I'm going to be, which one should I do? I'm going to be doing this one. 6. And there we have it, guys. That is all the things we harvested. And we had a lot of things we harvested. And as you can see, these are super, super bright red, which they smell so spicy. But when I eat it, it's gonna be much better, obviously. And as you can see, we have all of them. And this is exactly what I've harvested today. We are gonna have all of this. I'm so excited to have my dinner today. And and follow me on Insta. If you want to ask me for any tips, follow me on Insta and DM me, because my comments are kind of turned off. So if you DM me on Insta, you'll be able to talk to me. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button so you don't miss out on any videos like these. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye. This is called... What is it called?